Now that we have a better understanding of how JavaScript works, it would be a good time to work on a couple of projects. First, we'll start with a simple script that changes the background color of a web page every time the page is refreshed. We can see the end result in this example. Every time I press the refresh button, we can see that the background color is changing. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you'll need to do is set up your basic HTML page structure and save the file on your computer. Next, create your script tags inside the body tags. Inside our script, we need to define a variable that stores all the possible background colors in an array. So here we have a variable called bgColor, and it stores 8 values inside an array, and each value is a hex code representing a different color. You can use the same colors we've used or different colors if you like. Now we'll need to create the JavaScript statement that will randomly select one of the colors in our array and apply it as the background color each time the page is refreshed. So to do that, we've used the document body style property and set it to a randomized value in the bgColor array index. The value of the index is derived by multiplying a random value between 0 and 1, and that's done using the math.random statement. We've multiplied it by the length of the array, which is 8. We then use the math.floor statement to round the value to the nearest whole number. So this gives us the value of our index number in the bgColor array. And each time it's going to be different. So that means each time the background color will be different as well. And that's it for the script. Once you're done, just save the file and preview it in your web browser.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.